Cadets, good morning. So as you know, yesterday I have completed the components of blood. Okay, so there are different components of blood, you know, plasma, WBC, RBC, blood platelets, and everything almost I have completely completed. First I taught, afterwards I have shown you the videos also, with the hope that you have got it. Now let us move to the next constituents of circulatory system. What is that one? Second constituent. Circulatory system has got how many components? Just see. First one is the blood. Second one is the heart. Third one is the blood vessels. Correct or not? So just see, I am teaching here blood vessels. So what are the blood vessels? Blood vessels are nothing but a tubular structure. Which is tubular structure of what? Tubular structure of circulatory system, which is responsible for the smooth flow of blood. Remember, smooth flow word I am adding. If there is a obstruction in the free flow of blood, then what is there? Your heart will not come and people will suffer from heart attack. So remember, so these are the tubular structure, which is tubular structure of the circulatory system, which is responsible for the smooth flow of blood from heart to body and vice versa. Means, remember, it doesn't mean that blood will flow from heart to different parts of the body. Same blood should be collected from different parts of the body and flow back to heart. Okay, that is why the complete definition of blood vessels is tubular structure of circulatory system, which is responsible for the smooth flow of blood from heart to different parts of the body and vice versa. The meaning of vice versa means opposite of the things which I have said earlier. Okay, means here I told from heart to body, it means vice versa means body to heart. Okay, understood? Now, how many types of blood vessels are there? There are three types of blood vessels. First one is the arteries. Second one is the veins. Third one is the capillaries. Okay. So now there are three types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. One by one, I will explain you. Just try to understand. The first I will explain you arteries, point by point. Then I will tell you the veins, point by point only. And afterwards I will ask you the question, what is the difference? So all those points you write in the tabular form, your distinction, your difference will be ready. So first heading is here, arteries. Okay, so what are the arteries? The point number one, they carry, first of all they are tubular structure only. They carry oxygen rich blood. Oxygen rich blood. This oxygen rich blood, that is pure blood. What is this one? Pure blood. Okay, they carry oxygen rich blood, that is pure blood from heart to different parts of body. Heart to different parts of body. Okay, the first point. Except, here one exception is there, except pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery will explain you later on. Right now you just see, all arteries carry pure blood or oxygen rich blood from left part. Please add here left part of heart to different parts of the body except pulmonary artery. This artery is carrying carbon dioxide rich blood. So this is exception. All arteries will carry the oxygen rich blood, but this will carry the carbon dioxide rich blood. So remember this one. Okay. And always remember, oxygen rich blood they will carry from left part of heart, not right part. Okay, first point. Second one point is blood flow with high pressure. Blood flow with high pressure. Okay. Just see why pressure is generated in the arteries. Just see, time and again heart is pumping or not. So heart pumps because of heart muscles. So when heart muscles pump means they contract, expand, contract. This expansion and contraction of muscles, that is only known as heart muscles. So this is always remember that heart muscles should always be strong. If heart muscles are not strong, then heart will not contract and expand rhythmically, and that state is only known as heart failure. Always remember. So that is why we should do the minimum exercise to keep our heart muscles strong. Okay, running, then yoga, isn't it? These are the things which make our heart muscles strong. Okay, so remember this one, blood flow with high pressure. Okay, first point. And this pressure is generated due to rhythmic contraction and expansion of heart muscles. The first point. Second point. Now third point, there are no valves. There are no valves. There are no valves here. What is the next? Valves I will tell you. In veins, valves are there. Here, valves are not there. Will tell you. Further, will explain all those points. What is the next point here? What is the next point here? Arteries. Dear cadets, here one correction is there. Blood flow is rapid and with high pressure. Just see, rapid word should also be added. So there are no valves. Last point is here. Walls are elastic. Walls are elastic and thick. Walls are elastic and thick. Walls are elastic and thick. Another important thing about this one is, just see, arteries, just try to understand. Sometimes doctors are holding your wrist to note down the throbbing movement, pulse, that is known as pulse rate. So they are putting here or not, near the wrist. So try to understand, in the near the wrist area, what is there? Arteries are at the surface. Here skin is thin, and arteries very easily can be seen. And if they touch with the help of index finger, they will come to know your throbbing movement. Okay, throbbing movement. So one more point you can write here. Arteries are basically, it is better not to write, that is okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 point is enough. Now opposite of these points are veins. So just try to understand. Now I will write the veins. So just write here veins. Okay. So here they carry, just here only you edit carbon dioxide rich blood. Carbon dioxide rich blood. Here you write impure blood. IMPU. Impure blood from So dear cadet, now veins. What are the veins? They carry carbon dioxide rich blood. Carbon dioxide rich blood means impure blood. What is this one? Impure blood from different parts of body to right parts of the heart. HEART, right part of heart. Except pulmonary pulmonary veins. Okay, these veins does not carry the carbon dioxide rich blood. This carry pure blood. Okay, so here also exception is there. Here blood flow is slow and with low pressure. Just see, blood is flowing from different parts of the body to right parts of the heart. Right parts of the heart. In right parts of the heart, what are there? Right atrium is there and right ventricle is there. Always remember, in left part of heart pure blood is there, in right part of heart impure blood is there. Okay, so they carry blood to the right parts of the heart, and blood flow is slow and with low pressure. Walls are thin and non-elastic. Walls are not thick here. Walls are thin and non-elastic. The meaning of elastic means what is there? It can contract, it can expand. Here what is there? Contraction and expansion work is not there. There are valves. Now listen here. In veins, what is there? Blood is flowing from rest part of the body to the heart. Okay, so what is there? That too pressure is also not there. So if valves are not present, I will tell you the meaning of valves. Just see, suppose this is one blood vessels. So here what is there? Like that small valves are there. These are the valves. Everywhere they are there. Everywhere. And what is their function? What is their function? Their function is for stopping the backward flow of blood. Okay, suppose from our feet blood is climbing toward the right parts of the heart. So just try to understand, blood has to climb or not. Now try to understand, if valves are not there, these are the valves. If valves are not there, then what is there? Blood may flow back. Okay, so to climb the means blood, what is there? These valves are essential, otherwise blood will not flow back. Blood will not climb, it will flow back. So now in this way your characteristics of veins are also over. Now next one is capillaries. What are the capillaries? So just see, the capillaries are the extremely thin tubes which are formed by the division of arteries. Which are formed by the division of arteries. Just write down here, capillaries. Capillaries. So what are the capillaries? These are the thin tubes, finally divided or extremely divided. Just write here, extremely divided tubes. Extremely divided tubes which are formed by the division of fine division of arteries. Okay, which are formed by the fine division of arteries. They connect arteries and veins. Okay, so in this way your capillaries are also over. What are capillaries? Capillaries are the extremely divided tubes which are formed by the fine division of arteries. They connect arteries and veins.
In man, blood always flows in closed vessels or tubes throughout the body. This is called closed circulatory system. The blood vessels which carry the blood are of three types: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry oxygenated blood from the heart to body parts. The blood in artery flows under high pressure, generated by the contraction of heart muscles. Therefore, the arteries have thicker elastic wall.
I wonder at what speed blood flows through the arteries.
Blood flows at 90 cm per second as it exits the heart, but as it gets into smaller arteries and veins, it flows down to about 30 cm per second. Overall, it takes a drop of blood full 60 seconds to travel from your heart through the legs to your toes and back to your heart. Arteries divide many times into smaller arterioles, which again subdivides finally to form smallest vessels called capillaries. The networks of capillaries join to form venules, which further form the veins. The capillaries are the site where actual diffusion of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients, etc. takes place. Veins carry deoxygenated blood towards the heart. As the blood flow is not under pressure in a vein, they have valves present to prevent backflow of blood. In normal course of circulation, the blood from the heart flows through artery to reach the capillary bed. From there, through the vein, it returns to the heart.
So in this way, dear cadets, I have completely completed arteries, veins and capillaries. Okay. Now this is the time to check your knowledge. So today I am going to give you 3 questions. First write question number 1. What are arteries? Okay. What are arteries? Okay. Next question is question number 2. What are veins? What are veins? Okay. Third number is what are capillaries? Capillaries. Okay. Question number 4th also just write. Write the difference between arteries and veins. Okay. So whatever point by point you have written, the characteristics of arteries and veins, just summarize them in the tabular form. Your difference is ready. In this way, today's time for the video of 20 minutes is almost over, and I am hoping that you are keep completing all those things which I am giving you daily. So these exercises are important. Now tomorrow I will teach you the pulse rate, heartbeat and some other things regarding pulmonary artery, pulmonary veins. Some questions I will give you. Okay, thank you.